When was the last time you wrote or received a handwritten letter or card? Did you receive it in the mail or as a note card passed off in person to you? How did it make you feel? Handwritten letters have been replaced by text messages and emails. While technology makes communicating more straightforward and faster than ever, it doesn't have soul. Handwritten letters and cards are time-consuming yet wonderfully kind, healing, loving, and meditative. Features in people's handwriting like letter slants, weight, and spacing can determine feelings and emotions. Also, writing helps organize the mind and can help you unravel the complexity of your day and your thoughts. Want to learn a few handwritten letter tips? Set time aside for a peaceful composition. It's difficult to find time, but put aside 15 minutes to compose a letter in peace. Have some tea and get in comfy clothes. Encourage yourself by picking up special stationery, your favorite pen, because we all have our favorite ballpoints or ink pens, and even stickers for envelope decorating. Start your letter by asking about them. How have you been? How are you? These basic questions set the tone for your letter. Show that you are writing to them because you care to find out more about what's been happening in their lives. In the next paragraph, speak generally about events happening in your life. Following that, list any specific events that are notable and remarkable. Let it flow. Many people have trouble expressing their emotions on paper. Handwriting your thoughts is less forgiving than typing it on the computer. Where's that delete button? Don't panic. Cross out spelling mistakes. If you have grammatical errors or thought fragments, all of them are forgivable in a handwritten message. What really matters is the time and thought you are putting into writing. The more you write, the more straightforward ideas and communication will come to you. Sign it with love. How do you end your letter? Encourage the person to write back with, "I can't wait to hear back from you," or "I look forward to writing you more later." Letter writing is genuinely mindful, and the more others experience the joy of reading a personal message that's just for them, the more they will reciprocate and write back. To discover more about this and other topics, visit themindfullivingnetwork.com, where knowledge is our mission. Thanks for watching.